What's up, warriors? Welcome to another Bitcoin price update. As you can see, yesterday we had this amazing move to the upside. Okay, as you can see, bam, straight up and then straight back down. Okay, this was super volatile. If you were able to trade it, that's awesome. I actually was able to trade this section here, and it was beautiful. Now, of course, as you can see, Bitcoin is super volatile, but I was telling you guys, as you can see, look, we have one touch here, another touch here, another touch here, until finally it did have a massive break to the upside, right? But then we also came back down. Now we did try to go back up again, but as you can see in this Fibonacci levels is super resistance, and we're having a lot of resistance there. Now, of course, it came back down to a little bit. We're gonna see if maybe we can come back either to this Fibonacci levels and bounce back up to around the 41,000, 42,000 area. Now, of course, sometimes it doesn't have to come all the way down. You could front run it, right? And then still bounce from there. So we're going to see what's going to happen throughout this day. Right now it's New York open. So, we have the New York Stock Exchange trading this. And, it's moving the price, right? So, as you can see, though, look, from here, right, we had this big, massive dump to the downside. And then we tried to break above this resistance level, but it was having a hard time. Then we came back down, and then we had this massive move to the upside, back down again, okay? And then again, we try to break it, try to break it, try to break it, try to break it, until finally had a massive move to the upside. So that's what happens usually when you keep testing a level over and over and over again. It has a huge move either to the upside or to the downside. When they only tests it like once or twice, it's like a regular move, right? It does move, but it's not like such violence, right? It's just like, okay, boom, it moves, it breaks, and then it keeps going. But when it has this pressure where it keeps building up pressure, I keep trying to, break through it, break through it, break through it until finally it does it. That's when you have this huge, massive moves. This is why you always need to protect your capital. You need to make sure that you have your stop losses in place, because if you don't and you have a massive move like this and you're trading with leverage, you will get liquidated. So you need to understand, always have a bullish and a bearish scenario trading plan, and always have your stop losses where your trade has been invalidated, so you protect your capital at all times. Okay, so now where we at? Well, we are in this section here where we're gonna see if we can break this Fibonacci level, right? If we can break this Fibonacci level here, all right, which is around that 40,800 to around that 41,250 or so. If we can break this level, then I can see ourselves going back to around that, I'll say 41,800, let's say 42,000 to 42,500 or so, okay? But we have to first break this section, which is, as you can see, becoming super resistance, okay? If we can break that, then yes, I can see ourselves moving back up to this level. But again, then you have resistance right here, right? So those are the levels right now for this. Now, if we start breaking back down and we reclaim this level, then we are going to come back down to this range until, again, it breaks either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, this is how you look at what's happening with Bitcoin. When you do have these massive moves, usually it's just like, a little bit of time, and then it finds a range. As you can see right here, we're in this little range right now. Okay, until it finds a way to either the upside or to the downside. Okay, this is why when Bitcoin forms a range, you trade that range until it breaks. Okay, and this is why you always have your stop losses, because if it has this massive move like this, well then yes, you will get liquidated or you will get stopped out, right? So this is why rule number one, always protect your capital. So for the bullish scenario is, if we do break this Fibonacci's level, I do see ourselves coming around this section here. Okay, it could be around that, 41,900 to 42,500 section. And if we can break through that, then of course we'll be seeing again around that, 43 to 44,000 section. For the bearish scenario, if we cannot reclaim this section and just keep getting rejected, then we are going to come back down here to around the 39,500 or so. And then if we can get back into the section, then we're going to come back into this range until it breaks. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. As you can see, we did have this massive move back down, and then we did try to come back and, you know, retest it again. So that's where we are right now. I will not be making videos for the next week. Okay, so I will be having surgery, so I will be out for at least a week or so. If I'm able to get a few videos in between, I will do it for you guys. If not, just, you know, give me some time, about 7 days or so, and then I'll be back at it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this quick short video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not a member. Like the video, that will really help me out with the algorithm, and comment below if you have any questions and I'll respond back to you. So make sure that, you know, you have a bullish and a bearish scenario again, and protect your capital at all times. All right, so take care, have a great day, and remember, let the profits come to you.